All right, good morning. Today's my birthday. I'll be turning 34. And right here is a time capsule. I wrote this in 6th grade. I was 12 or 13, something like that. And I've been saving it since. Up until today. I get to open it. And it's got some interesting designs on there, things I drew. Pretty cool. And we'll see what I used to say. Oh. $1. And a piece of my hair, which was lighter back then. Little dude on the back. Dear Paul, it's Paul. Well, the young 6th grade Paul. I just turned 12, and I'm here at Prairie View Middle School, and I like it. I have lots of people talking to me, but only a few friends. The top 2 friends I have are Corey Davis and Paul Siegel. Most of the things I do and say just make people go away. The percentage of friends I hang out with is 98% girls, and I don't know what to do since I took my name off the available list. But I still have the urge of me liking girls, and I know I shouldn't get any American girls. Most of the girls that I like are from my class. I guess I was a player. Well, Paul, I will now tell you what I think of the future. I think there will be flying cars, actually having cars, actually hovering cars. Well, you want to know what I wanted to be? Well, I hoped that you will be an artist that is in the cartoon business, but paint beautiful paintings in your spare time. I hope you have a great life. Your buddy. That's funny. Well, I had a crush on a couple girls in class. So that's funny. I was wearing Tommy Hilfiger and Fila in the photo. Gosh. Oh man. Well, the address. We lived at Bayberry Farms. Well, I made an extra $1. And that was it. That was my time capsule. I urge everybody to do one. I think it's important. I think it's nice to have. I've been holding on to this thing for such a long time, and I remembered about it today. But it was short and sweet. And it worked out. So, awesome. We'll talk to you guys later. I'll probably put a video up of working on the house, but happy birthday to me.